How to launch your own Solana SPL token using Anchor. Well, the topic of launching your own Solana SPL token using Anchor is really complicated, but I'm going to try to simplify as much as possible, making sure the concept stays clear in today's tutorial. So, launching your own Solana SPL token using Anchor involves several steps. First, ensure you have Solana development environment set up. Install the Solana CLI and Rust. Then, set up Anchor by installing the Anchor CLI. 1. Create a new project. Use the Anchor CLI to create a new project with Anchor init your token name. Define token structure. In the lib.rs files, define the token's properties and functionality. This includes installing the token, minting, and transferring. Utilize the token extract from the SPL token library. 3. Set up the program. Implement the logic for your token, including methods for minting and transferring tokens. Make sure to handle accounts properly and validate input. 4. Build and deploy. Use Anchor Build to compile your program. Then, deploy it to Solana cluster with Anchor Deploy. 5. Create the token. After deployment, interact with the deployed program using the Solana CLI or a front-end application to create your SPL token. 6. Test thoroughly. Use the Anchor testing framework to write tests for your token's functionality to ensure everything works as expected. 7. Interact with the token. After successful deployment, you can manage your token using various wallet applications or integrate it into decentralized applications. And that's it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in another video.